In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your YouTube earnings in Google Adsense. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, keeping track of your earnings is key to managing and understanding your channel's growth. So let's dive right in. The first step on our journey is to head over to the Google Adsense website. You can do this by typing adsense.google.com into your web browser. Once there, you'll see a welcoming page with the option to either sign in or start an application if you haven't set up an account yet. For our purposes, we're going to focus on the sign in option, so go ahead and click that. After clicking sign in, you'll need to enter your Google account details. This should be the account linked to your YouTube channel. Enter your email and password carefully to ensure you're accessing the correct account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the AdSense homepage. Now, let's move on to where the magic happens. Checking out your earnings. From the homepage, look towards the main menu or toolbar on the side of the screen. Here you will see a tab labeled Payments. Clicking on this tab will take you to an overview of your financial information within Google AdSense. Once you are on the Payments page, navigate a bit deeper by clicking on Payments Info. This section is particularly useful as it provides specific details about your earnings, including your current balance, transaction history, and any adjustments that might have been applied. Glancing through this can give you a good picture of your overall financial health on the platform. Next up, click on your earnings. This section represents your hard work's direct financial reflection. Here, you'll see broken down data detailing your estimated and finalized earnings from the current and previous months. Understanding this page is essential as it shows how much revenue your content is generating over different time periods. And there you have it. Checking your YouTube earnings in Google AdSense is all about navigating through these specific sections efficiently. Remember, keeping an accurate eye on your earnings allows for better content planning, strategic growth decisions, and ultimately a more successful channel. If you have any doubts or face any issues along the way, Google AdSense provides helpful support and resources directly on their platform to assist you further. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough today. I hope you found it useful and feel more confident in tracking your YouTube earnings. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more insightful content just like this. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.